Hi guys, this is your boy Martin and welcome to another Tuesday short video. Today we're going to be talking about Kuryakyn end cap mirrors on your handlebars. So we will replace mirrors on the Ryker, the stock ones, with the Kuryakyn. And actually what you will find out in today's video, it's unboxing, installation, and what kind of benefit you will have. Actually come with me. So I have a camera here and the point is that you are able to see a little bit of this helmet right over here, and you are able to see, I believe, spring on the shock, not the wheel. And we will change the mirror, and maybe this will be a great example like how the whole thing will change. So I think this may be super complicated to show it on two cameras, but this is the helmet. Can somebody see me in the mirror? I don't know. And that's actually the spring, or the spring on the shock, which is my hand here. I don't know. Well, let's see. Now guys, enough of this. First 500 views, no video ads, and no bullshit around, straight to the point. So let's get started. Okay, now about the mirrors. Like these mirrors are, I mean, design wise, do I have to tell you? Design wise, they are, I'll be lying there if they are like super ugly. They are not, but they are just, I don't know, they're ugly. In terms of quality, all plastic, shaky, and you cannot see much in them. So replacing them with Kuryakyn is one of the options. I have already did a video, you can find it on MartinTheVlogger.com, the largest vlog about Can-Am on-road vehicles, in the word, period. That you can position also aftermarket mirrors on your bike, on your Rykers and Spyders over here. Now very quickly to unboxing. It's pretty difficult to do unboxing with one hand only, but of course you have the mirror. Work with me. And design wise, it's a subjective, but it's more sporty, it's sharp, it's called Phantom. And it's all proper, it's quite heavy, and it's all proper aluminium, that it's in gloss black, high quality and not really shaky, and sticks, like everything sticks together very well. It's almost like super hard to position, and you will see it later. Now next in the box is of course the other side, so two mirrors and all of these bolts. That's super easy, just bolt how to install your mirrors. In terms of installation, first you need to remove the stock mirror, T30. Most probably you will not have those end weights there. We have these on the shop, they're just nice, so we have them there. And now take out the mirror. My top tip here is, in case the mirror don't want to go, give me a second. In case the mirror will not want to go, sometimes this bolt, it's way close to the edge. So what you need to do, you need to keep the screw inside and push it a little bit further with hammer or whatever. So this thing is not that wide, so you can remove it from your handlebars much easier. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it don't. Now what you need to find in the box, it's this bag. It has wedges, washers, screw, whatever, and basically this is what you will need to build. I'll show it to you. Yeah, I'll show it to you. So how it goes, you need screw, you need to put the mirror, and then it goes this spacer, washer, whatever it is, then this part that has a longer ending, so like this. Then it's this part with the rubber that expands, so it will hold on your bars, and this last part goes at the back. So, and this way, of course, again, you have first the mirror here. This is how it goes in, okay? And when you are basically, and just for quick explanation, when you tighten the things up, this middle part expands. So that's how it holds on your bars. All right. Now, of course, you have a left and right mirror, and the correct way is to have this sentence that objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. So this sentence must be on the bottom, and you must be able to read it. That way you know which side is correct. So first, the mirror, this washer, spacer, whatever it is, and then your holder, whatever it is. Now size 5, and just tie things up. It's up to you if you will use Loctite or not. It's really up to you. And the whole installation, it's over. Now let's see if anything has changed and what is actually the improvement apart from the look. So I'll try to do the same thing as we had before. So looking at the camera, we should have there the helmet, and we should have there the wheel, and not only barely visible. You are able to see what you are able to see, a little bit of this helmet right over here, and you are able to see, I believe, spring on the shock, not the wheel. Spring, but we see whole wheel and much further. And also, if I think the helmet was like right on the edge and there was nothing visible further, and now I can see a little bit more. So I think that the difference is quite significant. What you think? Now also think in the way that we are just focusing on the bike, that it's right behind me, like super close behind me. So the angle, it's massive difference. So you will be able to see the dead angles better. You have more visualization, what's happening behind you, and also the look, it's much nicer. It's much more sharp. And I will take it outside for you to see what's really the difference in the look. I mean, do we really need to go in that discussion, like which one looks better? No doubt. More I look at them, more I like them. It's there. Everything is in there. They are proper aluminium. They are not shaky. They look beautiful. They look sharp, sporty. Just rubbish, plastic rubbish that you can barely see anything. I have one trouble. You know what's my trouble? Like, I'm always honest in videos. You know that. That's my trouble. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th one. These mirrors do cost $194.95 at my shop, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. I just cannot throw in 800 euros into mirrors, into my tour and rental agency. If this would be my bike, it would be there. Katka is not watching these videos. Maybe I will keep it on one, just one. Will I keep it? I don't know. You tell me, guys. You tell me. Like, shall I keep it there? I mean, they just look amazing. I mean, they look amazing. This is just ridiculous. I don't know. Guys, anyway, enough of this. Thank you very much for watching. In case you want them, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. In case you would like to come to me, coolest tour and rental agency in the world, toursonthread.com. And this is your boy Martin. Thank you, and remember, buy yourself those bloody phantom mirrors because they're awesome, and always have fun. Fuck, I just can't keep everything that I have on my shop.